Well, there's a really good beer scene down in Asheville, North Carolina. Uh, One of the most popular breweries is Wicked Weed. We've had their beers for a few years now, um, and this beer, Freak of Nature, is one of the flagship beers. It's double IPA. Supposedly they were brewing it right from the beginning. It's 8.5%. I've never had it. I've had a lot of other beers. They're really good. And by the way, there's a great video on their site about this. One of the brewers talks about the beer, but it's basically that they use, I think he said 4 pounds. I'm sorry. Yeah, is it 4 pounds per barrel for the dry hopping? It's twice as much as the regular double IPA, and then for a regular double IPA, I think it's 1 pound. So it's very hoppy, and he talks about the nature of the hops, and it's quite extensive. It's a very, very good video, so I really recommend you watching it. It's on their site. Okay, let's get into the beer. Now, it's interesting. He was drinking it from a pint glass. I would normally drink it in a IPA glass. But I want to see what's going on with this. Okay, now I got a better head than he did in the video. So as you can see, it's pretty good actually. And by the way, this was brewed less than a month ago. Love those bottle dates. Well, this is 3 fingers, very clear, carbonated. You can see nice gold copper color. And as far as hops, I can't remember all of them. It's got Citra in there. It's got Simcoe, Amarillo. I think it has Centennial in it. Dank. It's very dank. Not getting much fruit in here. A little sweet. Well, it's hoppy, all right. Taste is great. Very, very interesting. So, it's very hoppy, but the types of hops that they chose played down on the bitterness while retaining the hoppiness. Very interesting concept. It's great beer. Okay, very fruity. Nice fruity. Very, very good fruit, like an apple, grapes. Not quite tropical. And it's a bitter finish, but it doesn't have the and semi-dry, but it doesn't have. It's not terribly bitter. Yeah, great finish on this. So this is a great beer. I've never had it. Okay, so check this out. It's an all-year-round offering from Wicked Weed in Nashville. I've never been there, but I'd like to go visit sometime. I've had a lot of friends who've been there. And Freak of Nature, great beer. Give it at least a 92 overall. Really nice beer. Check it out. Cheers.